morning, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Right now, I'm currently getting the house set up. I just put the tables up. I need to put the chairs in, and yeah, that's really all that's going on. I just walked over to the mailbox, and guess what came? My Sonny Angels. So later in this vlog, I will do a little Sonny Angel unboxing. I'm so excited. I've only ever opened up a Sonny Angel once in my life, and it was this month actually, and so I bought 4, so we'll do a little Sonny Angel unboxing. But for now, let's finish setting up. Okay, you guys, my Sonny Angels just arrived, and I thought we would do a little Sonny Angel unboxing. So I have 4 different Sonny Angels that I ordered. The first one I have here is the Sonny Angels Hippers, and these are the different ones that it can come with. I think out of all of the ones on here, the one that I really want is the rabbit or the pig or the panda. Or the lop ear rabbit. But I got the lop ear rabbit last time, but these are the ones that they come with. So let's see what I get. Okay, time to pop it. Oh, that wasn't a great pop. It's okay. It's a little blue mouse. This one is the mouse. And what's really cool about these is they have little stickers, so you can put them on the back of your phone or on a camera, or you can literally stick them anywhere. They are so cute. So now let's open the next one. And the next one I have here is the Sonny Angels Fruit Series. And this one comes with different fruits, so you can get an apple or a pineapple. These are the different ones that they come with. I think on this one, I want the strawberry, the raspberry, the peach, or the dragon fruit. Those are the ones I want. Each time I do that, it's not good, but it's okay. Look at his head, look at his little wings, how cute. The next one we have is the Sonny Angels Animal Series version 2. And out of this one, I think I want the pig or the panda or the secret. I'd be happy with any of them. I just don't want the mouse because I already got the mouse. It wasn't a good pop either. I got the pig. Look how cute he is. This is the one I wanted. He is so cute. Okay, now we're on our last box. This is the Sonny Angels Vegetable Series. And in this one, out of all of them, I think I want the radish. I think I want the radish out of these ones. Okay. Has to be a good pop. Is that a bell pepper? A green bell pepper. He's so cute. Okay guys, these are the Sonny Angels we got. I think my favorite one is the pig, and then it would be the mouse. They are so adorable, and I can't wait to put them on my shelf. Okay, you guys, we just finished setting up our little spread that we have. I made some dip for chips. We have some chips in a bowl, and my mom made this little platter. Do you want to show him? She has salami on here, cucumbers, cheese, and carrots. And then what's this?
Oh, spinach dip.
Do you have to heat it up?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so we have some spinach dip here that needs to be heated up. And then we have rolls that we're gonna put in this blue bowl, but we're waiting because we don't want them to get stale yet. And then right now we have a tri-tip, right? We have a tri-tip going in the crock pot.
And shrimp.
Oh, and shrimp, little shrimps. And then back here we have some cookies. Oh, this is the cookie display my mom made. This is how all of our baked stuff came out. These are store-bought, these are Oreos, but here's the chocolate chip cookies and the brownies we made yesterday. And then we have some drinks back here. And yeah, that's the whole setup. That's the spread, that's the grub.
Yep.
This is how the tri-tip is looking. Is it good?
Juicy.
Are you ready for the Christmas party, Grandma?
Huh?
What are you wearing?
Rudolph.
Rudolph. Are you ready to party?
Yes, I'm having a party.
You're having a party?
Yeah, Rudolph is too.
Yeah? Okay guys, this is my friend Ariana, and yeah, she's here to party too.
Hey. Hot sauce, typical. Coupon for Henderson?
Danny.
Poker or
Yeah, poker.
Slash ass. Alright, I'll look that go. There's kisses right there if you guys want some. Oh, see? Not Chinese. $1. Somewhere over here. Where everything's at. No, I was gonna add that here. Oh yeah, I got it.
Get that.
Yeah, I got some.
So I thought plates for me? Whenever the Mega
I think
Millions.
you're the snake.
You're the snake.
Can I get that? Yeah.
I made room for it. So they gotta come and open it. We're gonna mom's out and we're gonna win. And buckle it.
We're gonna be taste testing Ariana's, what is it? Gingerbread cake. Gingerbread cake. Ready?
10 or 21.
Got the eggs.
Wait, are you gonna draw his first?
It's good. It's good. Nice meal.
So you stick your hand in Santa's bag.
Rainbow poop. Yeah.
No box.
I'll make $20. I'll make $20.
Oh, it's a little game. Okay, Grandma.
Oh, sour.
I'm giving you the milk. Oh, you like sour candy, huh? I love sour candy, huh?
Whoever did this. Hi.
Oh, it's Funko Pop.
What's that?
Smash. Okay, you guys, it is much later now. It's almost 1 o'clock. Honestly, I had such a great night. I got to see one of my best friends. She does not live in town, so I only get to see her when she is visiting, and I haven't spent time with her in so long, so it was really nice to see her. And I honestly had a great time with my brother's friends too. We had so much fun. We played our games and we ate good food, and yeah, it was a blast. But yes, after my friend left and my brother's friends left, we watched Bad Santa 2, and it was so funny. Oh my gosh, it was a funny movie. But yes, that's gonna be it for Vlogmas Day 23. Yes, that's gonna be it for Vlogmas Day 23. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and I will see you guys then. Love you. Bye.